Greetings, Dr. Eileen O'Connor, to show you a bit about moving around objects that you have uploaded into Mozilla Hubs. And what you'll see here are the general elements that can be brought into Hubs, but here are my assets. These are things that I brought in, and you can see from below I have a number of assets I've already brought in, but this one that I'm using here is an asset of my granddaughter playing with some virtual reality. And right now I am in the middle of a Mozilla Hubs room, and I want to show you that I can move her around, and this always takes me some playing. Okay, I'm using the box here. The arrows just point in the direction. They don't actually do anything that I've found. And when I'm in this viewport, I can move this around in the space. Now, I've chosen this fantasy type of island, and I've yet to learn everything about how to move glibly in this space, so it's going to take some practice. But I can move the object here. Now, if I move over to the scale, I get other features. I can enlarge this, or I can shrink it. Let me see which box. Okay, this box, I'm left-clicking and pulling it out. Okay, that's enlarging the picture. And I'm sure if I go in the other direction, yeah, I pulled it to the left and to the right to, oops, change the size. So those are some of the things you can do. You can rotate it. In theory, I've really never gotten this to work. Maybe it'll work well now. I'm left-clicking and dragging the rotate, and it doesn't seem to work the way I'm used to as the wheel moving. So I'm zooming in and out with the mouse scroll zoom. And so when I have an object, I can move it around a number of different ways and position them. The particular, quote, model that you see here, and I'm going to click on models to just show you that the island itself is a 3D file that has these little trees and blocks, and in it I'm inserting things such as this picture. So that's how you move objects around using the viewport, which gives you some flexibility, and you use the boxes. The arrows just point out the directions. You can rotate it, and you can also scale it, change the size of it. So put images, put other assets into your space within Mozilla, and you can move them around. So thank you.